Excited to get started with Bitcoinage? We're excited to have you on board. First, let's create an account together. Pause the video to collect the following information. From the homepage of our website, click the Buy Token button in the upper right, then proceed to sign up. Enter your name and email address. Make sure this is valid as it will be used for verification later. Next, create a secure password. Copy and paste your MetaMask address into the Ether address section. Continue to provide the required information and click Sign Up. Once you have successfully created your account, you will receive an email from Bitcoinage. Click Get Started in the email to continue the purchase process. Log in with your email and password. Now, you will have the opportunity to give. First, copy the Bitcoinage Ethereum address by selecting the yellow clipboard on the right-hand side of the address. Then, send your contribution amount from your MetaMask wallet to Bitcoinage's Ethereum address. The minimum contribution amount is 0.2 Ether. Note, your contribution will be received into the purchase tokens and later claimed into the claimed tokens in the last step. Reminder, your MetaMask Ether address should reflect at the top right of your screen. Double check to make sure this is correct. Next, fill in the required information in the KYC International Check section. At this point, you will upload your valid passport identification. Upload or snap a photo of yourself and then click Verify for the face match verification process. Input the required information for the AML CTF verification. Now you can complete the process by clicking Claim Token. After a brief moment, your tokens will be deposited into your Claimed Tokens wallet. This deposit is reflected in the Claimed Tokens section at the top of your screen. Congratulations! You have now successfully completed your first eXBCN purchase. If you want to repurchase, you can log in and repeat the process at any time. If you have any problems during the process, we are here to help you with your contribution. Please email us at info@bitcoinage.io for any comments, questions, or concerns. Thank you.